Do you have a deep passion for coffee, but often find yourself uncertain about its effects on your body and overall health? You might be pondering the question, is coffee truly beneficial for you in the long run? In this comprehensive discussion, we will uncover all the essential information you need so that you can enjoy your coffee without any lingering doubts or concerns. We will delve into the various health benefits associated with coffee consumption and clarify how drinking coffee is intricately intertwined with health, particularly concerning the liver, which stands out as one of the most vital organs in our body. To start, if you're not indulging in coffee on a daily basis, you could be missing out on a wealth of beneficial nutrients and microelements that can significantly enhance your mental health and cognitive performance. Recent research has demonstrated that the advantages of caffeine extend far beyond its well-known antioxidant properties, revealing a more complex and beneficial profile of this beloved beverage. In today's fast-paced world, people savor coffee not just for its delightful taste and enticing aroma, but also for the energy boost it provides, making it a staple in many individuals' daily routines. However, do we fully understand the true value that coffee brings to our health and well-being? Let's embark on this exploration together and address the pressing question. Is caffeine harmful to your health, or can it be a friend? The complete composition of coffee is now widely recognized, as outlined in various coffee nutrition facts that are available to the public. Coffee comprises several key components, including caffeine, trigonelline, nitrogenous substances, lipids, carbohydrates, organic acids, trace elements, and vitamins. Together, these elements exert a range of effects on our bodies, contributing to our overall well-being and vitality. Each of these compounds plays a unique role in how coffee interacts with our physiology, influencing everything from our energy levels to our metabolic processes. One of the primary benefits of coffee is its remarkable ability to enhance physical activity. Caffeine, which is the main active ingredient in coffee, is a naturally occurring alkaloid that stimulates the central nervous system, thereby improving physical performance and increasing endurance levels. This stimulating effect is one of the reasons why many energy drinks and pre-workout supplements include caffeine as a key ingredient, as it can help athletes and fitness enthusiasts push through their limits. Furthermore, the boost in energy and alertness provided by caffeine can also motivate individuals to engage in more physical activities, leading to a more active lifestyle overall. Moreover, coffee is well known for its ability to significantly boost brain function. Caffeine enhances various cognitive functions such as attention, concentration, memory, and reaction time by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain. As a result, coffee helps us feel more alert, focused, and productive in both our professional and personal lives, making it a popular choice for those needing to power through long workdays or study sessions. However, it's important to note that individuals who are sensitive to caffeine may experience adverse effects, such as anxiety or jitteriness, so moderation is crucial to enjoying its benefits without the downsides. In addition to these cognitive benefits, regular coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Research indicates that habitual coffee drinkers may have a reduced likelihood of developing conditions such as type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even certain types of cancer. This protective effect is largely attributed to coffee's antioxidant properties, which help shield the body from the harmful buildup of free radicals that can lead to cellular damage. While the question of whether coffee causes inflammation remains open to further investigation, some studies suggest that coffee may actually play a role in reducing inflammation within the body rather than exacerbating it, making it a potentially beneficial beverage for those concerned about inflammatory conditions. Moreover, coffee has the potential to improve mood significantly. Starting your day with a cup of coffee can elevate your mood and sustain it throughout the day, providing a sense of comfort and routine for many people. Caffeine stimulates the production of endorphins and serotonin, both of which are neurotransmitters responsible for promoting feelings of happiness and satisfaction. Therefore, moderate consumption of ground coffee beans can serve as a natural mood booster and assist in coping with mild depression. This aspect of coffee consumption is particularly noteworthy for women, who may be more susceptible to mood disorders and may find solace in the ritual of enjoying a warm cup of coffee. Another important benefit of coffee is its role in reducing the risk of heart disease. Although caffeine can lead to a temporary increase in blood pressure, regular coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular issues, including heart attacks and ischemic heart disease. This protective effect is attributed to the antioxidants and organic acids found in coffee beans, which positively influence the cardiovascular system by enhancing endothelial cell function, improving vascular tone, and promoting flow-mediated dilation. While some research suggests that caffeine may possess vasodilating properties, individuals with existing cardiovascular conditions should exercise caution, as excessive caffeine intake may pose risks. The long-term effects of caffeine on heart health are still under investigation, but there have been observed connections between caffeine and heart disease risk factors, such as atrial fibrillation and arrhythmia, likely due to caffeine's influence on catecholamines, nitric oxide pathways, myocardial blood flow, and sympathetic nerve activity. It is advisable for those experiencing premature ventricular complexes to avoid caffeine altogether and consult with healthcare professionals regarding their caffeine consumption. Coffee also plays a protective role for the liver, an organ essential for detoxification and metabolism. Natural coffee has been shown to support liver health against various conditions, including cirrhosis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and liver cancer. The cumulative effect of regular coffee consumption makes it a valuable addition to your breakfast routine and overall dietary habits. We will explore the effects of coffee on liver health in greater detail in the following sections, highlighting the specific components of coffee that contribute to its protective qualities. Additionally, regular coffee consumption has been found to lower the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. This protective effect is attributed to the presence of organic compounds and acids in coffee that help safeguard the brain's nerve cells from damage. Researchers have noted that coffee also enhances caffeine metabolism, which may contribute to this protective effect, allowing individuals to benefit from its neuroprotective properties over time. So, when considering the question of whether coffee is good for you, the answer is a resounding yes, provided it is consumed in moderation. However, excessive intake of caffeinated beverages, such as energy drinks, can lead to negative health outcomes, including increased anxiety, sleep disturbances, and digestive issues. Pregnant women should be particularly cautious and limit their caffeine intake to avoid potential complications during pregnancy, as high caffeine consumption has been linked to adverse effects on fetal development. Additionally, caffeine may exacerbate certain conditions, such as obesity, by influencing metabolic rates and appetite regulation. While coffee does offer some benefits for bone health, excessive caffeine consumption can increase the risk of fractures due to its potential impact on calcium absorption. As with many aspects of life, moderation is key to reaping the benefits while minimizing potential drawbacks associated with coffee consumption. In conclusion, coffee is a multifaceted beverage that offers numerous potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. From enhancing mental alertness to protecting vital organs like the liver and heart, the various compounds found in coffee positively influence many essential functions in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Although the relationship between coffee and inflammation continues to be explored, current evidence suggests that, for most healthy individuals, the benefits of coffee consumption outweigh the risks. So go ahead and indulge in that delightful morning cup of joe. Your body may very well thank you for it, providing you with the energy and focus you need to tackle the day ahead.